channel. So today I am back, and as you guys can see, I have on a closure wig. I do not wear closure wigs, y'all know I do not. I always have on a frontal, but today I'm going to see if I still know how to finesse a closure wig. This hair is from a company called To All My Black Girls, and if I'm not mistaken, it is based in the United Kingdom. I did receive 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure. I believe the bundles were 18, 18, and 20. And I'm actually not sure the length of the closure, but I will put that in the description box. And if you guys want to purchase from To All My Black Girls, you can use the coupon code Lexus10 and you'll receive some money off of your order. But I made this wig on the sewing machine, and I haven't defined the curls or anything like that yet, so I'm really interested to see how this is gonna come together. But let's just get right into it. I do want to say, I know y'all can see these lace, and the lace is on fleek. Okay, I bleached it once and it bleached beautifully. So yeah, I'm gonna turn on my hot comb, and I'm just going to apply with a little bit of Got To Be. Make sure there's no hairs under here. And before I do that, actually, I do want to cut this little strip off, this little thick strip. I know that that's probably going to cause some issues with laying the lace down or having it blend. So I did cut that strip off, and I'm going to cut it off the other side. And don't mind my scissors. These are my scissors I use when I'm making a wig on the sewing machine. Okay. Okay. So I got those off, so now it should lay beautifully. Only thing I don't really like about closures is the fact that my edges are gonna be out, because my edges do not be laid when I have on a wig, but we're gonna try and make it as natural as possible. So we're gonna flip this up, and I'm going to spray my Got To Be. I really can't remember the last time I did like a closure wig. So this one is for all my closure wig wearers, because everybody hasn't graduated to a frontal yet. And it be like that, honestly. Take my blow dryer on cool. Alright. And let's pull her down. Now that we pull it down, I'm going to take my comb and just use that to comb the hair back and like push the lace into the Got To Be. And I am just going to add some extra onto the side. And let's do this side. Side note, if you have a dryer that has like this attachment on there, I like to use mine and like actually rub it against the lace. Okay, and before I cut it, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of Got To Be around the actual hairline. Just a little bit more to make sure we in there like somewhere. So now that we've done that, I'm gonna take this little strip that I cut off of one of my scarves, and I'm just gonna tie this right where we laid the lace down. And then I'm going to start detangling. This is actually pretty refreshing. Like, this is like one of the quickest installs ever. That's tied down. My part is definitely not in the middle. It's okay, we will fix it. But let me part, I'll be back. I'm gonna use this brush right here and some more. And I've seen people use this brush for natural hair, and I'm simply just not a fan. Now, for weave, it might can do something. But for my natural hair, I just felt like it was like snatching out my hair strands. And I didn't appreciate that, so. So I'm not really sure how I feel about the texture as of right now, but I'm going to untie my scarf so I can fix this part first of all, okay? Cause girl. All right, let's move a little closer. So you guys see that the lace is definitely laid, okay? And I'm gonna take, if I can get it out, this eyebrow razor. First, I'm gonna take the scissors and just cut straight up. Then I'm gonna take this eyebrow razor and cut off the remaining lace. And if you don't cut off your lace with the eyebrow razor, you're tripping. This is what we're looking like without any type of finessing. I don't know if I want to do the middle part, side part. What if I did like a side part though? It's not gonna be flat as it could be because my braid is like super chunk over here, but I'm gonna see what we can do. Let's see. can. Make sure we're still covering all of her tracks and stuff. I don't like the way this looks already. I'm not gonna lie. Now that we have this done, I'm gonna take some foam. And first, I'm gonna put it up here because, whoa. You need that. Okay. I'm going to pull me out some edges so we can make this look more realistic than it already does. Okay, and I like to start by just putting the foam like kind of on my forehead. If you have sensitive skin, you probably should not do this step, but it's just how I like to do it. So I'm gonna start by snipping the extra hair away. Okay. Snip as much as you can and then just use your scissors to cut the remainder. Okay. Now we're gonna start swooping just to see what we're working with, and if we need more, we can always get some more. So I'm using this end piece to kind of like try to blend it in with my hair, so it's not that obvious that it's a closure. You know what I'm saying? And just finish brushing these on my forehead so I can see what I want to do with these. Same with this edge. I want this edge to mimic like baby hairs. And honestly, you just play around with them until you get what you're looking for. This texture definitely needs some type of like product in it, in my opinion, because like it's a little frizzy up here. Spray it small. Alright guys, so I am back. We're just gonna ignore like this little hump right here. It's because, like I said, my braids are not as flat as they could be. But overall, I think I might have did a pretty good job with this closure. I feel like it looks good. People probably would be mistaken and think that this is a frontal when they first look at it, but it's not, dude. But yeah, I'm here for this really quick and cute install. I will be back again with this hair to show you guys some more looks to do with your closures. But like I said, this is for my closure wears because everybody hasn't graduated to the frontal ministry. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links will be in the description box. And I will see you guys in the next one.